What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be working on my 240. I'm going to be doing the 5 lug hub swap as well as the Z32 brake swap. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, we're about to rebuild these calipers. I'm doing this based on information that I have seen in other videos and I've researched. So if I'm doing something wrong, you can let me know in the comments. Alright, so we're gonna start by taking this retaining pin out. Take these pins out. Okay. So I'm going to take a vise and I'm going to work on the first piston. We're going to get all the excess brake fluid out. So what we're going to do is put pressure on here on the piston and grab a 10 mil crack bleeder. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna compress this first piston. Compress this and loose. I'm gonna leave this one compressed. There we go. Some fluid coming out. There we go. Okay, now you're gonna stick the bleeder nut back in. Take your 11 mil, crack the main brake line open. Get a piece of wood. I'm gonna get some compressed air. Alright, so I'm gonna get a rag. Alright, so now this piston just came out a little bit. Keep doing this until all of the pistons are out. Woo! Well, that was one of them. Damn, well maybe I should use 2 pieces of wood. I'm gonna pull the retaining rings off with some needle nose. There's one. Take the dust shield off. Dust boot. Oh, no. That scared the shit out of me. Damn. Alright, so here's a piston. So we'll just set these right here. There we go. Piston number 2. Nice. No. Okay, last one is out. Finally. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is pull out the old square cut seals. Use this little pointed tool to see if I can kind of scoop them out. All right, got one. Got 2. 3. And the last one. 4. All right. Now what you're going to do is take some good old brake cleaner. I'm gonna do this more thoroughly. I'm just giving you the ideas, but go through here, get all the old shit out. Alright, now repeat the process once more on your fronts and twice on your rear calipers. Alright, so here we got the Z32 brakes all broken down. This one is the one I accidentally dropped on the floor. There's some gouges in it. I probably end up replacing it before I rebuild them. As far as all the hardware goes, I've had them sitting in denatured alcohol for a few days. They have, it looks like it's coming off. Yeah, cool. So yeah, that should get these things cleaned up. Alright, today I'm going to be rebuilding these calipers. I got all my parts laid out, got all my pistons clean, calipers clean, got some brake fluid. Alright, first what you're going to do is grab a seal, put a light coat of brake fluid on it. You're going to want to squeeze it down into the groove until it kind of pops in, and you're going to kind of roll it in. Now what you're going to do is grab a little piston, a little bit of brake fluid on it, just insert it, press it down. Now grab one of these seals, pop it on. Then you're going to put the retaining ring on. Alright, so I got two done.
Looks like you're having a yard sale. How much for this bolt? Sir, how much for this bolt?
Alright, I'm going to be painting the calipers today. I'll be using this Duplicolor gloss black.